In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't add debit card to Apple Pay. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your iPhone blocks you from adding a debit card to Apple Pay, displaying errors like could not add card or contact your card issuer, the issue is usually caused by a mismatch in your Apple account regional footprint, a locked security token, or an unverified token exchange with your bank's authorization servers. So what you want to do firstly is go to your settings application, then go over to general, and then locate language and region, and then just go ahead and click on it, and then tap on region and ensure it's explicitly set to your location. For example, if you're in like the United Kingdom, you want to make sure that your region is on United Kingdom as well. Now, what you also want to do is go over to sign in and security, and just make sure your primary telephone number and billing details completely match your bank statement text strings. After that, you should be good to go, and just try adding a card again, and then you should be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.